These 7 cars prove that exotic performance doesn't have to come with exotic problems. They look like $1 million, but they won't cost it. So buckle up, because we're counting down. Number 1. Porsche 911 Carrera 4 996, the underrated hero. If you've ever dreamed of owning a Porsche 911, the 996 generation is your golden ticket. Produced from 1998 to 2004, the 996 Carrera 4 delivers that unmistakable Porsche DNA. Sharp handling, all-wheel drive grip, and that timeless 911 silhouette, all for the price of a new Toyota Corolla. When it launched, the 996 broke tradition. It was the first 911 to go water-cooled, leaving behind the air-cooled heritage purists swore by. Enthusiasts were furious, calling it soulless. But what they didn't realize is that controversy would one day make this car one of the biggest bargains in Porsche history. Under the hood lies a 3.4 or 3.6-liter flat six, producing up to 320 horsepower and a top speed north of 170 mph. The performance is still impressive today, and the feeling behind the wheel, pure Porsche magic. Balanced, responsive, alive. Sure, there's the infamous IMS bearing issue, but most surviving cars have already had it fixed. Once that's sorted, the 996 is as reliable as any European sports car can be. Parts are easy to find, mechanics know them well, and the aftermarket scene is massive. You get the real 911 driving experience, the one that makes every trip feel special, for under $30,000. It's the gateway into the world of Porsche without the crushing maintenance bills of newer models. So if you've ever wanted that crest on your hood, the 996 Carrera 4 might just be the smartest way to get it. Number 2. Audi R8 V8, 2008-2012 manual, the everyday supercar. When the first generation Audi R8 hit the streets in 2008, it changed the perception of what a supercar could be. It wasn't a delicate garage queen Ferrari. It wasn't temperamental or finicky. It was exotic and usable every single day. At its heart lies a 4.2-liter naturally aspirated V8, borrowed from the legendary RS4, pumping out 420 horsepower and screaming to 8,000 RPM. But the real showstopper? That 6-speed gated manual transmission. The metallic click of each gear shift is one of the most satisfying mechanical sounds ever made. Performance, 0-60 in 4.3 seconds, and an exhaust note that could make angels cry. But despite its supercar looks and performance, maintenance is surprisingly reasonable. Because underneath the glamour, the R8 shares a lot with regular Audis, meaning parts, service knowledge, and reliability are far better than you'd expect. The aluminum frame keeps it light, strong, and rust-free, and the V8 is known for being durable when properly maintained. And yes, this is the same car Tony Stark drove in Iron Man. Back then, it symbolized futuristic wealth. Today, you can buy one for around $60,000, and it's on the path to becoming a bona fide classic. Few cars deliver this level of performance, drama, and reliability all in one package. The Audi R8 V8 is the people's supercar. Wild enough to thrill, tame enough to live with. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz CL55 AMG W215 compressor, the supercharged luxury beast. The early 2000s were a golden age for AMG, and the CL55 compressor was the king of that era. It's the kind of car that whispers luxury but screams horsepower. Built from 2002 to 2006, the CL55 was essentially a two-door S-Class, with all the refinement you could imagine. Soft leather, wood trim, and enough electronics to make NASA blush. But underneath that elegance hid a monster, a supercharged 5.4-liter V8, producing 493 horsepower and a mountain of torque. When new, it cost over $120,000 and was the car of choice for executives, celebrities, and rappers alike. Today, you can find a well-kept one for under $20,000. It's fast, it's comfortable, and when that supercharger kicks in, it's addictive. Maintenance isn't nearly as scary as you'd think. The M113K engine is rock solid. The only catch, the ABC hydraulic suspension can be expensive if it fails, but many owners convert it to coilovers for a permanent fix. And because it's a Mercedes, you can still find parts, service, and even salvage upgrades with ease. It may not sip fuel, but per mile, it's cheaper to keep running than many modern turbo cars. The CL55 AMG is pure old-school charm, a gentleman's muscle car. You get the comfort of an S-Class, the speed of a supercar, and the maintenance bill of a mid-size sedan. Owning one feels like being rich in 2003, but your 2025 wallet won't even flinch. Number 4. Lexus GSF, the bulletproof muscle sedan. Now we move from European flair to Japanese precision. If you want reliability and exotic-level thrills in one package, Lexus has your answer, the GSF. It's the underdog of performance sedans. No turbos, no hybrid systems, no gimmicks. Just a 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8, delivering 467 horsepower of pure mechanical goodness. This engine, the same one found in the RCF and LC500, revs freely, sounds phenomenal, and is virtually indestructible. Lexus built this car for drivers who appreciate feel, not just speed. Inside, it's luxurious and understated. Soft leather, digital gauges, subtle carbon fiber. No flashy wings or loud badges, just quiet confidence. And while it's not the fastest sedan on paper, it delivers one of the most rewarding real-world drives out there. The best part? Reliability. This car can easily cross 200,000 miles with basic maintenance, oil, tires, and brakes. While BMW M5 and AMG E63 owners are wrestling with software updates and repair bills, GSF owners are out there enjoying trouble-free motoring. Depreciation has already bottomed out. You can find clean examples for under $45,000, and ownership costs are a fraction of the European competition. It's exotic in all the ways that matter: the performance, the craftsmanship, the feel, without any of the drama. The Lexus GSF is the thinking man's super sedan, brutally fast, beautifully built, and quietly bulletproof. Number 5. Ford Shelby GT350, the American track monster. When Ford unveiled the Shelby GT350, they didn't just create another muscle car, they created an icon. This wasn't a Mustang built for drag strips or boulevard cruising. It was built for the track. At its heart is the legendary 5.2-liter Voodoo V8, a flat-plane crank masterpiece producing 526 horsepower and revving to 8,250 RPM. The sound is unlike anything else. Part Ferrari shriek, part American thunder. Everything about the GT350 feels engineered for precision. The steering is razor-sharp, the chassis is perfectly balanced, and yet it's still comfortable enough to drive every day. Here's the kicker: it's not expensive to keep. Ford designed it to be durable, easy to service, and reliable even after track abuse. Oil changes, brakes, and clutches are affordable compared to European exotics. Even replacement parts are widely available through Ford dealers. You can find used GT350s for around $50,000, and few cars at that price will give you the same emotional connection. It's the kind of car that makes every drive feel like an event. A car that loves to be driven hard and rewards you for doing it. The GT350 proves something simple. America can build a car that's as exotic in feel as anything from Europe, but with the heart and soul of the working man. Number 6. Nissan GT-R R35, 2009-2012. the everyday Godzilla. The Nissan GT-R didn't just join the supercar fight, it rewrote the rules. When it debuted in 2009, it crushed cars costing twice as much. Ferraris, Porsches, Lamborghinis all suddenly had a very real problem from Japan. Early R35s came with a 3.8-litre twin-turbo V6, making 480 horsepower and delivering blistering acceleration. 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds, and thanks to the advanced all-wheel drive, it could handle like a video game car in real life. It earned the nickname Godzilla, and deservedly so. Now here's the wild part. Early models are dropping below $55,000, putting them in reach of ordinary enthusiasts. And while it's a technological marvel, it's still a Nissan at heart, meaning it's not as terrifying to maintain as you might expect. Fluid changes are important. Tires aren't cheap. And yes, repairs on the dual-clutch gearbox can be pricey. But find a clean, unmodified example, and you'll have one of the most reliable, high-performance cars ever built. It's a car that can be daily driven, road-tripped, and tracked, all without needing an army of mechanics. In a world where supercars are becoming more fragile and digital, the GT-R remains a brute force machine that just works. Affordable to own, devastatingly fast, and built to last. It's the modern definition of bang for your buck. Number 7. Tesla Model S P85D, the silent assassin. Now, let's fast forward to the future. Because no list of affordable exotics would be complete without something that represents the new age of performance, the Tesla Model S P85D. When it launched, it didn't just make electric cars cool, it made them terrifyingly quick. 2 electric motors, all-wheel drive, and a combined 691 horsepower. 0 to 60, a mind-bending 2.8 seconds. The P85D wasn't just fast, it changed what performance meant. No gears, no lag, no noise, just instant torque and neck-snapping acceleration that leaves almost everything else behind. Today, used examples can be found between $30,000 and $40,000, which is absurd considering it once rivaled Lamborghinis off the line. And the best part? Maintenance is almost non-existent. No oil changes, no spark plugs, no timing belts. Just brakes, tires, and the occasional battery check. Even the regenerative braking system extends brake life dramatically. Sure, you'll want to watch for battery health over time, but Tesla's electric drivetrains have proven incredibly durable. And because so much of the car's personality is controlled by software, it actually improves with updates, getting faster, smarter, and more efficient without you lifting a wrench. The Model S P85D is the definition of a modern exotic, a car that's faster than almost anything, yet costs less to maintain than a Camry. It's silent, it's sleek, and it's devastatingly effective. The supercar of the future, available today for the price of a used SUV. Closing section, cinematic wrap-up. So, what do all these cars have in common? They destroy the myth that exotic has to mean expensive. From the howling flat six of a Porsche 911 to the whisper-quiet hum of a Tesla, these machines represent a rare sweet spot where passion meets practicality. Each one proves that driving excitement isn't reserved for the ultra-rich. You don't need millions to feel what real performance feels like. You just need to know where to look and to choose smartly. Whether you crave the precision of a Porsche, the fury of a Shelby, or the silence of an electric assassin, there's an affordable exotic out there waiting for you. Because in the end, driving isn't about how much you spend. It's about how it makes you feel. That moment when the road opens up, the world blurs past, and for a few seconds, it's just you and the machine. That's the magic of these cars. That's what makes them truly exotic and shockingly cheap to own. Outro, fade out. If you enjoyed this countdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and tell us in the comments, which of these cars would you take home first? The German precision of a 911, the raw fury of a GT350, or the silent speed of a Tesla? Whatever your choice, drive it like it was meant to be driven. See you in the next one.